Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gavin, this is Tracer, and today we're going to be doing the advanced Murph, which if you guys haven't already heard of the regular Murph, it's a workout dedicated to the SEAL, Michael Murphy, who was killed in action. It consists of 1 mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, and 300 squats. Now, I tried it before, it's not fun, but I found this workout on military.com, figured we'd give it a shot. So the advanced Murph is essentially the same thing. But the way it works is you're gonna start off with a mile, end with a mile still, but they threw in a little bit more workouts. So we're gonna be doing 100 push press, military press, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 200 lunges, 100 lunges each leg, 300 squats, and 300 abs. So we're just gonna be doing sit-ups for the video. Every set you have to run 100 meters, and every 400 accumulated reps, we're gonna be running a mile. So when it's all said and done, it's gonna be about, well, depends on how you break it down, about 5 to 6 miles. The workout also calls for a 20-pound vest. This is pretty much 20, I'm assuming. We got security vests. We're both mastered arms in the Navy, so we got our SAPI plates in front and back. And yeah, should be a fun workout, so let's get to it.
Not fun, but yeah.
Together, Michael and his fellow SEALs deployed multiple times around the world in the war against the extremists and radicals. And while their missions were often carried out in secrecy, their love of country and devotion to each other was always clear. On June 28, 2005, Michael would give his life for these ideals. While conducting surveillance on a mountain ridge in Afghanistan, he and 3 fellow SEALs were surrounded by a much larger enemy force. Their only escape was down the side of a mountain, and the SEALs launched a valiant counterattack while cascading from cliff to cliff. But as the enemy closed in, Michael recognized that the survival of his men depended on calling back to the base for reinforcements. With complete disregard for his own life, he moved into a clearing where his phone would get reception. He made the call, and Michael then fell under heavy fire. Yet his grace and upbringing never deserted him. Though severely wounded, he said thank you before hanging up and returned to the fight before losing his life. Unfortunately, the helicopter carrying the reinforcements never reached the scene. It crashed after being struck by a rocket-propelled grenade. And in the end, more Americans died in Afghanistan on June 28, 2005 than on any other day since the beginning of Operation Enduring Freedom. This day of tragedy also is the sad distinction of being the deadliest for Navy Special Warfare Forces since World War II. One of Michael's fellow SEALs did make it off the mountain ridge. He was one of Michael's closest friends.